Hello, welcome to this video. We are talking about conditional probability. That's the probability of event B, assuming event A has already occurred. And then you have really just a notation thing. This is the probability of A given B. It restricts the sample size to the outcomes in event A. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, for our first problem, it says a letter is randomly selected from the letters of the English alphabet. Find the probability of selecting a vowel given that the outcome is a letter that precedes H. Those are a lot of words, but essentially we want to do the probability that we get a vowel given we choose a letter before H. So we choose from the following letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, because H comes after G. So if I'm looking at this, remember your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. I want to see how many of those are in the second half of my probability. So if I look here, I have A, I have E. Those are my only two vowels. So on top, we're going to put 2 because they're the only ones from this list that showed up in my sample. And then on the bottom, we want to put the total, our sample size. So that second half. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters that precede H, and so we put 7 on the bottom. So on the bottom here, we have our number of letters before H. On top, we had the number of those 7 that are vowels. So really for this problem, you have to figure out this second half first. Okay, how many things do I have to choose from? And then how many of those things meet that first requirement? All right, thank you for watching. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher.